From your shoulder down to your arms, to your fingers. Love every cell of your body as you go. Send your heart love from your hips through your legs all the way down to your feet. Now take that love through your neck, take it all the way up to your head. Great. I invite you to put your left or right hand just on your sternum bone, just on your chest. One of your hands on your chest, on your sternum bone. This is where our soul lives. This is our solar plexus. Keep your eyes closed and just feel it. Put your whole palm on it. So you can feel that this is an instant calming. So any moment you feel you need love, this is the exercise to do. So stay that way for a moment. Because what we're going to do now is we are going to send this love. You're going to secure it. And you're going to watch yourself as your inner child. And you are as an adult now. And you are going to send this love to your inner child. See yourself as a child. And whatever that child needed it back then, you can go back as an adult and give it to her. Hold her hand. Hug her. Speak nice to her. Encourage her. Stay with your inner child. She's you. She's a loving part of you who you can love on a daily basis. Wonderful. And just breathe in and out through your nose. Wonderful. Now let's take this love and spread it outside of us. Let's share this love. Let's share our harmony, our kindness, and our peace with everybody around us. You can make your connections with your inner God or whoever is your God lives, and allow your God to love you and send your love into your heart, because that's what He's speaking to you, with your inner you. And be grateful for everything you ever had in your life, because it is now, it's only a possibility, every one of those. Because the moment you can love yourself this way, everything will be okay. Everything is washed through the eyeglasses of love. Just stay there for a moment and just breathe. And know that everything is okay when you are okay. So now take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And I'm going to count from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And nice and slowly you can come back to Earth, to Asia, into whatever country you are right now, in Pakistan, into Karachi, this wonderful lovely place where we are, this clubhouse. And slowly, as however you feel, you can just open your eyes. Good morning. Well, this was self-love, and I am happy that I could invite you for this experience, and you can just do this on a daily basis. So this was how to love yourself and be alive. Thank you. Empty. Thank you. You just get yourself. So this is the base of positive thinking. Now you can make decisions. Now you can make decisions. Because now you're thinking objectively. So the moment you start rushing, what to do, you have the tool. You just did it.
Okay, first it will close your eyes and you will breathe.
You will have the video.
Okay.
You just have to join me on Facebook. And then it's going to be on YouTube. In a few days it will be up. Because they have to upload it either TV Pakistan plus YouTube. It goes on Balance to be Alive, the channel on YouTube.